A very important menu in the configuration window bar is the hardware menu. But if you are looking information on the configure option inside this menu, then go directly to the next chapter. We made a special video for this option. If you want to learn about the other options, you can continue on this video. The first choice, as we have seen in the administrator and user mode chapter, allows you to access to one of the two modes. Get more information about this on that chapter. The third option forces the unit into standby. You will notice that when the unit is in standby mode, there are no signals in the meters, neither in green nor in gray, and standby appears at the top or the window. Can force the unit to get out of standby selecting the third option in the hardware menu, that now it is called exit standby. The unit gets out of standby mode then, so the signals get back. We also have in this menu the firmware update option. You'll be prompt to reconfirm, as this is a critical process. The network connection should be stable. We strongly recommend a wired connection from your PC to the network, and you should wait until it's finished. Once you confirm, you are advised that you will lose all presets and settings. Accept to proceed. At the end of the update process, a window like this should appear. The last point of the menu is status details. It will show you the temperature of the unit, inform if the front panel is enabled or disabled, and it will report faults or no faults if the unit is working fine.